Learn kitchen-related words. Blanch. To quickly boil food and then cool it in cold water. Poach. To cook food gently in hot water. Ferment. To allow food to naturally sour. Stir-fry. To cook small pieces of food quickly in a hot pan while stirring. Shallow fry. To fry food in a little bit of oil. Deep fry. To fry the food by submerging it into hot oil. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a little oil. Caramelize. To cook sugar or food until it turns golden brown. Glaze. To coat food with a shiny layer. Toast. To lightly brown food using dry heat. Barbecue. To cook food slowly over open fire or hot coal. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.